Hey, everyone! Today, I'm diving into the fascinating world of moral philosophy with Immanuel Kant's categorical imperative. If you're ready to explore duty and moral codes, stick around. First, let's break down the core of Kant's thought on duty. Kant, a key figure in deontological ethics, believed that there are universal moral rules we must follow, regardless of the consequences. He boiled down these rules into what he called the categorical imperative. So, what is the categorical imperative? Essentially, it's a way to test if a moral principle can be applied universally. Kant proposed two main formulations. The first one is, act as if your action is to become a universal law for everyone. Imagine if everyone acted in the same way you're considering. Would the overall effect be good? If yes, then that action is morally permissible. Think of the golden rule: do unto others as you would have them do unto you. The second formulation is, always treat human beings as ends in themselves and never merely as means to an end. This means respecting each person's inherent dignity and worth. A moral rule respects all individuals and doesn't use them for selfish purposes. Now, let's connect this to real-world applications. Many professions, especially in healthcare, have codes of practice grounded in deontological ethics. For instance, doctors follow the Hippocratic Oath, which prioritizes doing no harm. Similarly, nurses adhere to guidelines that emphasize respecting life, providing care, and avoiding harm. Kant would argue that these duties are unconditionally commanded by reason. Being truthful, respecting autonomy, and obtaining informed consent are all part of this moral framework. However, some argue that these codes of conduct are merely frameworks and don't always help in complex, real-world scenarios. For example, obtaining informed consent is a nuanced practice. It requires more than just following a rule. It demands understanding and respecting the patient's autonomy and situation. In conclusion, Kant's categorical imperative provides a rational method to evaluate our actions and establish moral duties. While codes of practice offer important guidelines, we must also navigate the complexities of real life with empathy and understanding. If you found this exploration of Kant's ethics interesting, hit the like button and subscribe for more philosophical insights. Thanks for watching. See you next time.